How to fix. You cannot make this change at the moment when you try to remove your Gmail and number on Facebook. If you're facing this error that says you cannot make this change at the moment when you try to delete your Gmail or number, then follow these steps. First of all, launch open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Here select settings and privacy. Then tap on settings. When you get here, you will find the option of See More in Account Center. Go ahead and select that. Now select Password and Security. Here select Change Password. Now go ahead and enter your current password over here. After that, you need to enter your new password. After that is done, tap on the Change Password option. Now you want to launch open your Gmail. Here you're going to get an email saying, did you just change your password? You want to tap on This Wasn't Me. Then go ahead and tap on Get Started where it says Let's secure your account. Then you want to follow the on-screen prompts. After that, enter your new password and tap on Continue. Then it's going to say, are there any email address here that you don't recognize? Now you want to simply select the email that you wanted to remove. Select that and tap on Continue. Once you do that, on the next page, it will ask you which of the phone numbers is incorrect. There you want to simply select the phone number that you wanted to remove. Then follow the on-screen prompts until it says that the email and number have been removed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.